Hello everyone, my name is Matt and welcome back to another video. We just arrived at Wudingmen and we plan to just walk around. There's a park over here and we were going to explore a little bit, and we were just in the metro and all of a sudden we saw these like fuzzy things floating around in the air, and my wife is like, where is that coming from? So she like started looking at my clothing and we realized that my new jacket has a hole in it. I'm not sure how well you can see it. There's a nice hole here. Definitely made by our cat. I put this jacket on like the bed in our spare room and he runs around in there, so he definitely made a little hole in my jacket. So right now we're gonna try and see if we can find a place just on the side of the road here to repair it. Otherwise I'm just gonna keep losing more and more of the fuzz inside this brand new jacket. So let's go find a place to fix it. How do you feel?
太搞笑了。
小心一点。So she just checked her phone. She said there should be a place just up ahead where we can get it fixed. I think there are probably dozens of like little shops around here where we can get this thing fixed. I think we're at the place. Is it? Alama. Mail. What is this? Charles, what is this? We'll have to come back over here one day and check that out. Ooh. Duck, 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 duck.迷路了吗？
这边还没有来过呢。
没来过。I have been here before a few times. Over here? Alright, we are here. Uh-oh. What bad? Oops. Ah.
你好，他那个衣服破了个洞，可以这边补一下吗？
校洞，
就是划开了。
哦，他们这因为别的摸着水旁边的，大一点。
不好补吧？看一下。
看一下哦。
我又把它缝起来。
这个也不能扯。
这个会很容易就是。
那是我呢。
你煮了了，你不能叫，你叫了谁赔？
那叫是蛋你会不会是？
要是打开就了，大概都掏骨头或者是。
啊，
这个它是的。
那这把素质。
他们还是嘛。
I'm not sure how sure they are they can actually fix this.
这多少这都？
你真叫。
把它锁起来不？
这个锁可以。
I thought maybe if they couldn't sew it up, they could like put a patch, sew a patch over it, maybe.
对，我说这个就是把它换到这里面来了。人家在
哦，
外面
可能放在那个那边，
就外面
然后我们家猫可能跑了，然后把它
对
抓
毛过的
坏了。。
我们估计我们不知道。
他们知道是这样的。
It's actually not that cold today. It feels pretty good. This neighborhood's pretty nice.
Понятно.
美国的。
特朗普啊，
不喜欢。
特朗普拜登，拜登，拜登，拜登，特朗普和拜登。俄罗斯、美国、俄罗斯。
It's almost done, I think. That was like 2 minutes. Good吧？好
OK，
好 OK，多少钱
10元。
？10元，好吧。
OK，
10分。看一下。
我们要在美国盖衣服，肯定得钱，
肯定赚很多
对吧？
就是
在美
是他的翻译啊。
不用翻译。
他是我老婆。
我们中国的女孩子，贤惠可爱的，
可爱的吧？
对，中国女孩贤惠，
比如说她，
对，
可爱吧？
对。
好，好，谢谢，拜拜，
拜拜。
谢谢，谢谢，拜拜。
成功了吗？
成功了。
给我看看。就这样吗？
可以，这可以。不过是在里面，没有人可以看到，对吧？
可是这样我也可以补啊。
But you didn't bring any of the stuff. Can you repair it on the fly? Would have lost half the fuzz from this part of the jacket by the time we got back.
给你吧。
好吧。Let's get out of here. Which way? That way? All right. Let's go. Let's go.